These are the first 4 upgrades you want to do after you get your factory rifle. On top of that list is going to be the best scope that you can afford. If you can't see it, you can't hit it. Make sure you get a good set of rings as well, and this will allow you to switch it around to different guns, a chassis or a stock. If you can't get comfortable behind that gun, you're not going to be repeatable downrange. You're going to have the ability to run AICS magazines, you're going to have a solid bedding platform, you have adjustability in the cheek piece, line to pull, make sure that perfect fit for you. You're going to need a good bipod. You're going to want to make sure that it's fast to deploy, you can adjust it quickly for height and for cant, and get a solid position when you do load into it. Last thing on that list is going to be your trigger. You throw a good, nice, crisp aftermarket trigger in there, you're going to be able to stay on that target and make those follow-up shots easier.